In Somalia, a charter that will serve as a blueprint for advancing rights of women has been endorsed. CGTN's Abdulaziz Billo attended the three-day convention and files this report now from Mogadishu.
The convention, a first of its kind in the country, brought together women delegates drawn from the civil society, rights organizations and business community from both Somalia and abroad. Delegates discussed the role of women in peace building and representation in government. The sessions were divided into different groups, with participants discussing ways in which women can lobby for their rights to be included in politics, justice and the ongoing constitution review process.
The whole purpose is to come up with a women charter that will be a blueprint for to advance women's rights, how women and girls can have a justice that actually work for them. The sexual offences bill, the FGM bill, and how these different stakeholders can mobilize and put forward, move forward a strategy to implement those.
The three-day convention will culminate with the endorsement of a charter that outlines specific demands by Somali women. Top on that list include more representation in politics and leadership. It's aimed at pressuring Somali authorities to increase the number of women in future decision-making process.
We are coming with specific and tangible demands and requests that basically in constitution we want this and this to happen. In election we want this and this to happen. When it comes to women protection, this is what we want. We want this bill to be passed. We are asking specific demands to the Parliament.
Parliament has also been put to task to approve a pending electoral reforms bill that will enshrine the principle of a 30% gender quota in future national legislatures. During the last election cycle, Parliament failed to meet the 30% quota. The same was also noted in the formation of the cabinet as well as regional administrations.
The Constitution is yet to indicate the 30% quota of women in leadership. We expect female parliamentarians to ensure it passes and we get our rights. The ball is now in your court.
As the country gears towards democratic elections in 2020, women see this as a major milestone. For decades, clan elders had the final say in the selection process of the next representatives to Parliament. But with a popular vote planned for upcoming elections, women hope to contest for more representation in both Parliament, Senate and regional assemblies. Abdulaziz Billo, CGTN, Mogadishu, Somalia.